Spotlight is a simple search tool at first glance, but whether you are a simple user or professional, the Spotlight always has something new to surprise you. In this video, we discuss 10 amazing features of the Spotlight. Quickly launch a Mac application. To launch an app, type its name in the search bar. You will see all related results, but your desired app should be near the top. If it's the first result, hit return to launch it instantly. This method is so fast that you may not need to use Launchpad or the applications folder anymore once you get used to it. Instant results in the Spotlight. If you want to quickly access information such as weather conditions, sports events, flight status, and much more, type a few words in the Spotlight. Or if you are looking for an article, image, or anything else on the internet, you can use a Spotlight. Looking for files and folders. A Spotlight simplifies searching for a file. Type the file's name in the search bar and the results will appear under relevant categories like PDFs, images, and documents. If you're looking for a specific file type on your Mac, type out the file name and add format type to the end. For instance, searching for a PDF file named CV, you can type CV PDF to find the relevant file. Word definitions. While several dictionary apps are out there to help you look up the meanings of words, Spotlight makes the process even easier by using the same functionality. All you need to do is type define, followed by the word you want to look up, and the Spotlight will return its definition. This means you can save a few steps and immediately get the information you need. Help us create better practical videos by liking and subscribing. Get calculations and conversions in a Spotlight. You can easily perform conversions and calculations by entering the Spotlight search field's mathematical expressions, currency amounts, temperatures, and more. Enter a mathematical expression such as 364 multiplied by 32, 3015 divided by 5. Enter a currency amount such as $200, 300 yen, or 300 USD in euros. Enter a temperature such as 85 Fahrenheit, 29 Celsius, or 320 kelvins in Fahrenheit. Enter a measurement such as 28 pounds, 63 yards, 28 stone, or 30 feet to meters. Enter a phrase about a time in a location such as time in New York or Korea local time. Use emojis to search in the Spotlight. If you want to find pizza places in your neighborhood, search for the pizza emoji in a Spotlight. When I input beer emoji, nearby pubs and restaurants that serve beer are listed. Using emojis, you can search for various items such as sushi, dresses, and many others. This search method also works on iOS devices. Natural language. Spotlight now supports natural language searches. You can use everyday phrases like find all documents from last week to search for files. Emails I received yesterday. Pictures I opened last Monday. Images I edited yesterday. Create a calendar event quickly. You can easily create an event by typing in a Spotlight. For example, dinner tomorrow 7 to 9 p.m. with Ted. Or tennis game with John Monday 8 a.m. Combined searches. Complex search queries can be created using Boolean operators such as and, or, not, and not. For example, you can use OR operator to search for emails from either of two specified individuals, displaying results from specific categories only. As you know, Spotlight offers suggestions from various sources, both local and online. If you want to search for specific sources exclusively, it's possible to do so. Open a Spotlight and type SP to find the Spotlight search categories and open it. You can deselect categories in Spotlight preferences to exclude them from search results.